In this section, we are going to look into some of the features and benefits of Robot Framework, how it differs from other frameworks and other tools. So some of the features of Robot Framework are, the first and foremost one is, it is an open source automation framework. So it is free and it is an automation framework. It is not a standalone tool or a library. Robot Framework itself is a framework, that is end-to-end framework. So you can directly make use of it and automate your applications. Robot Framework itself will give you the reports. It will give you a structure to automate your test cases. Just by making use of different libraries like Selenium library or lot of other libraries are available, you can automate any web application, database, Windows application, Android application or anything. It is a keyword driven framework. It has lot of keywords and we will be creating lot of keywords to automate our test cases and our test process. It can be used for test automation and for RPA, robotic process automation. That is nothing but if in your organization, if you are doing some process which is repeatable, you can automate those with the robot framework. For example, if you have an application in which daily you create some 100 users, keep on creating the users, then you can automate it with robot framework. It is very simple and easy. If you are entering lot of data in Excel or doing some calculations on daily basis, everything you can automate with robot framework. So you can use the robot framework for robotics process automation as well, not only for the test automation. ATD, for acceptance test driven development, robot framework is very much helpful. Acceptance test driven development is nothing but the business analyst will give the acceptance test first. Based on it, the development process will go on. The quality analyst will automate the acceptance criteria given by the business analyst. We can develop robot framework tests using both Java and Python. In this course, we will be using Python because Python is more powerful and also it is very much related to the robot framework. So we will be using Python. But if you are familiar with Java and if you feel comfortable working with Java, you can use robot framework with Java as well. But in this course, we will be using Python. It is simple to use. Robot framework is very simple to use. Creating a test case is very simple. Creating a process or task, anything is simple. I will be showing a simple process in the coming section as well. I will be showing how easy it is to create a small process using robot framework. And it is expandable. This is one of its best feature. Expandable. What is expandable? The robot framework functionality can be extended with lot of libraries that is available. It is a modular framework. This modular framework provides the expandable functionality. This is the architecture of the robot framework. There is a data layer. Below it, the robot framework works. The data is provided by the user. What the robot framework does, it just make use of some libraries. For example, to work on a web application, it makes use of Selenium library. By making use of the library, it acts on the web browser. If you want to act on a Windows application, then there are a lot of libraries available like AutoIt or Securi. These are different libraries available which you can import into your framework and you can act upon Windows application or anything. Even APM mobile library is available which can be used to act on the mobile applications. Also there is an Android library developed using Calabash. You can use it for Android application automation. There is an Excel library which you can use for automating some process, and there are a lot of database libraries, tools, everything is available. So whenever you need something, you can just import that library or tools and you can work on the application under the test. That is the targeted system. So the robot framework itself is not going to perform any action. It is just a framework which, by making use of different libraries, acts on the application under test. So this future modular framework provides the capability to extend its usage. In a single framework, you can act upon the web application, you can do some testing on the API, also you can act upon some database as well. So it is powerful and it is expandable.